Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this is a customer brought this wig for refilling and to fix the closure. So you can see the hair is a very good one, and the customer did not want it to just go like that. She was just confused. That's what would she do? So we are revamping this right away. So this is I'm going to be sharing with you guys a simple techniques you can just use in revamping this. So let's go straight to the video. Thanks for stopping by. So guys, this is the air. So we are revamping it now. So what I decided to do now is I went to cut some at the back of the wig. So you can see that there's some left over there. I'll still fix it back. So I have to cut a little bit piece from it. So this is it. Then I'm going to be cutting it off. Just need small. So this is our scissors. So I'll be cutting it off. So this is me just trying to cut it off. So cut off the tip. You are going to be combing up the excess from this. This is it. So this is the shorter one. You have to remove it. Then this is what we are going to be using to refill the closure. Let me just pick small. Then bend it like this. Then after bending it, do it like this. So guys, this is just me trying to. I wanted to use the hair to close up the closure before, but I realized the net is weakened, so I have to cut my Swiss lace. I have a Swiss lace at home, so I'm measuring the middle part to just sew it in and start ventilating. So this is me just measuring the Swiss lace, then cutting it to the size of just the middle part where the Swiss lace has been damaged. The closure has been damaged, I mean. So I'm just going to, you can see how I place it on the closure. Then I'll use my needle and thread, then sew it at the back side of the closure, of which when I sew it down, it is not showing in the other side, like in the front part. So this is another method you can use in fixing your wig cap. So this is me just trying to sew it down. So we are done sewing and almost done with the sewing, guys. So once you get to this phase, you just need to be careful with the way you tie net. So this is how it's looking like after sewing it. So it's not showing at the other side, so you can see where the closure has been damaged. So the other net is in the bottom, so I'll just be ventilating on it when I get to that place. So this is me just showing you guys how it's looking like after sewing it. So guys, this is a wig, so I'm going to be ventilating on the net. So this is me just trying to ventilate on it. So once you have fixed your Swiss blades underneath the net, the closure, then you start ventilating on it. So this is what I'm just trying to do here. You can see how I'm ventilating it. So I'm ventilating on one strand, so it's going to look natural. And men looking at the net, they also ventilate on one line. And so this is what I'm trying to do. And the only problem I'm having here is that the line is not straight with the line is not straight with the closure. So that's the mistake I made here, but it's going to come out really nice. Guys, please let me to subscribe to my channel if this video seems to be like, if you liked this video, just show love to your girls. Let me to subscribe. Thank you guys, I love you. Mwah. So I'm done fixing the round part, so I'm going to be fixing the other side where the hair has been really, like the band side where the hair have already removed. So I'm going to be fixing that up to make the closure more full. So the remaining one now is just to refill after ventilating on the net, like the side the net has been round. So you can see it up there, you can see it. I've already fixed it up and I ventilate on it. So I'm just trying to refill the remaining one here. So guys, I'm done with the hair. So I'm done with the refilling part, and there is one thing that I want to show you guys, because the Swiss lace that I'm using is not a tinted one. So what I have to do is just to apply my foundation and the foundation, so it's going to just rhyme with the other one. So this is how it's looking like. You can see that it's all fixed up. Hope I try, guys. So this is how I just revamp the hair, so it's looking so natural right now. So this is the end, and this is how it's looking like. So guys, one thing that I'm going to be showing you guys now is how you can see how it's giving. You can see no more band, it's no more band. I know my client will be so happy to have a wig back, because she's just so confused, like she should make another one. So this is me just showing you the foundation that I applied. So this is the foundation that I'm going to be applying to the Swiss lace. You can see the Swiss lace is just whitish, so I have to just blend it in. And if you have a tint equipment, you can just apply it, but in the absence of none, you can just apply your foundation. So this is me just applying my foundation on it, so it's going to look more natural. So you can see that the thing is not as whitish as it looked like before. So I'm done with the hair. I'm done. So give this video. So guys, I'm done with the hair. I'm done. My client will be so happy to have a wig back. So this is me just wearing it to see how it's going to look like. So I'm done fixing the hair. So if this video seems like something you enjoy, just give this video a thumbs up. Let me to like, support your baby, support your girl. Thank you guys. Let me to like, let me to subscribe. I love you. Bye. See you in my next video.